Welcome all to GK Journey. I think you all are preparing well for your CET exam. So to make your preparations even more better, do these previous year question series with us. So let's start. In India, disguised unemployment can be seen more in A. Agricultural sector, B. Industrial sector, C. Service sector, or D. Educational sector. Give the answer, students. The answer is A. Agricultural sector. The Reserve Bank of India was set up on the basis of the recommendations of which of the following commission? A. The Hilton-Young Commission, B. The Hartog Commission, C. The Sadler Commission, or D. None of the above. The answer is A. The Hilton-Young Commission. SCSI stands for A. Small Coding System Interface, B. Small Coding System Interaction, C. Small Computer System Interface, or D. Small Computer System Interaction. The answer is C. Small Computer System Interface. The Banking Regulation Act was enacted in which year? A. 1948, B. 1947, C. 1949, or D. 1950. The answer is C. 1949. Packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice is A. 68%, B. 52.4%, C. 54.2%, or D. 64%. The answer is B. 52.4%. Who is the current Secretary General of United Nations? A. Antonio Guterres, B. Ban Ki-moon, C. Kofi Annan, or D. None of the above. The answer is A. Antonio Guterres. National Human Rights Commission established in the year A. 2005, B. 1993, C. 1996, or D. None of the above. The answer is B. 1993. BIOS stands for A. Bus Input Output System, B. Bus Input Output Stream, C. Basic Input Output System, or D. Basic Input Output Stream. The answer is C. Basic Input Output System. The common Indian earthworms are A. Pascal's law, B. Torricelli's law, C. Bernoulli's principle, D. Reynolds number. The answer is D. Reynolds number. Who cancelled all mortgage of land? A. Draco, B. Solon, C. Clisthenes, D. Pericles. The answer is B. Solon. Who among the following ranks lower in the police hierarchy? A. Inspector, B. Sub-inspector, C. Assistant Sub-inspector, D. Deputy Superintendent of Police. The answer is C. Assistant Sub-inspector. What is the main objective of World Trade Organization? A. Liberalize international trade, B. Liberalize domestic trade, C. Reduce global poverty, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Liberalize international trade. When did Sir Thomas Roe visited the court of Jahangir? A. 1608, B. 1609, C. 1618, D. 1615. The answer is D. 1615. First phase of Green Revolution achieved approximately in A. 1950 to 1960, B. Mid 1960 to 1970, C. Mid 1970 to 1918, or D. None of the above. Give the answer, students. The answer is D. None of the above. The HDI ranking of India according to 2020 UNDP HDI report is A. 136, B. 130, C. 131, D. 182. The answer is C. 131. The power of Panchayat are listed in A. 12th schedule, B. 11th schedule, C. 4th schedule, D. 9th schedule. The answer is B. 11th schedule. In which year did Napoleon Bonaparte himself as the Emperor of France? A. 1799, B. 1802, C. 1815, D. 1804. The answer is D. 1804. To which country did Herodotus belong? A. Irish, B. Germany, C. England, D. Greek. The answer is D. Greek. The first railway streamed off in India from Mumbai to Thane in 1853, covering a total distance of A. 34 km, B. 74 km, C. 78 km, D. 53 km. The answer is A. 34 km. The first Secretary General of UNO, A. Uthant, B. Trygve Lie, C. Dag Hammarskjöld, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Trygve Lie. European Union Naval Force is A. NAVFOR, B. Euratom, C. Newtom, D. Nukash. The answer is A. NAVFOR. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectorial Technical and Economic Cooperation was established in A. 2000, B. 1997, C. 2010, D. 2001. The answer is B. 1997. Dash is known as wood spirit. A. CH3OH, B. C2H5OH, C. C6H5OH, D. CH3 bracket CH2 bracket of 2 CH2OH. The answer is A. CH3OH. Which of the following is the crop diversification scheme of Haryana? A. मेरा पानी मेरी धरती, B. मेरा पानी मेरी विरासत, C. मेरा फसल मेरी विरासत, D. None of the above. The answer is B. मेरा पानी मेरी विरासत. Who is the current governor of Rajasthan? A. Kalraj Mishra, B. Ram Naik, C. Margaret Alva, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Kalraj Mishra. Who becomes one of the youngest gold medal winner in Olympic 2021? A. Bhavina Ben Patel, B. Sumit Antil, C. Tek Chand, D. Momiji Nishia. The answer is D. Momiji Nishia. Nagaland is to Kohima, then Manipur is to A. Imphal, B. Shimla, C. Gangtok, D. Guwahati. The answer is A. Imphal. The headquarters of South Western Railway is located at A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Secunderabad, D. Hubli. The answer is D. Hubli. Which of the following are three factors of production? A. Land, labor and water. B. Land, labor and capital. C. Land, capital and water. D. None of the above. The answer is B. Land, labor and capital. Liberty, equality and fraternity are main principles followed during A. Russian Revolution, B. French Revolution, C. American War of Independence, D. Indian Freedom Struggle. The answer is B. French Revolution. Dash is spending within budget. A. Fiscal debt, B. Fiscal prudence, C. Fiscal consolidation, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Fiscal prudence. The Great Leap Forward Champion was initiated in the year A. 1948, B. 1972, C. 1980, D. 1958. The answer is D. 1958. Telecommunications Business Act, called the Anti-Google Law, is related to A. South Korea, B. North Korea, C. Russia, D. China. The answer is A. South Korea. United Nations Organization came into force on A. 24th January 1945, B. 24th December 1945, C. 24th October 1945, D. 24th April 1945. The answer is 24th October 1945. Rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi joined to make river Ganga River. A. Devprayag, B. Vishnuprayag, C. Nandprayag, D. Rudraprayag. The answer is A. Devprayag. ALU stands for A. Algebraic Logic Unit, B. Arithmetic Logic Unit, C. Algebraic Logarithmic Unit, D. Arithmetic Logarithmic Unit. The answer is B. Arithmetic Logic Unit. The famous Harappan sites Lothal and Dholavira are in the state of A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Haryana, D. Bihar. The answer is A. Gujarat. Elections to the Constituent Assembly were held in A. August 1940, B. July 1946, C. September 1951, D. None of the above. The answer is B. July 1946. Who is the first president of USA? A. George Bush, B. George Washington, C. Thomas Jefferson, D. John Kennedy. The answer is B. George Washington. Srinagar is located on the banks of the river A. Chenab, B. Jhelum, C. Ravi, D. Sutlej. The answer is B. Jhelum. The first biosphere reserve established in India: A. Nilgiri, B. Nokrek, C. Nanda Devi, D. Similipal. The answer is A. Nilgiri. 2032 Olympic will be held at A. South Korea, B. Indonesia, C. Australia, D. UAE. Give the answer, students. The answer is C. Australia. The election campaign must end dash before the closure of election: A. 24 hours, B. 36 hours, C. 48 hours, D. 12 hours. The answer is C. 48 hours. India's first Water Plus city under the Swachh Survekshan 2021 is A. Dehradun, B. Mumbai, C. Porto Alegre, D. Montreal. The answer is B. Mumbai. Malabar exercise is military exercise of India with A. US and Japan, B. China and Japan, C. Japan and South Korea, D. None of these. The answer is A. US and Japan. To check for new emails, click the dash link: A. Sent, B. Compose mail, C. Inbox, D. Draft. Give the answer, students. The answer is C. Inbox. Length is to meter, then time is to A. Pascal, B. Ampere, C. Minutes, D. Kilogram. The answer is C. Minutes. Thank you.